In today's fast-paced business world, efficiency is key. This is especially true for financial departments. That's where SAP comes in. SAP software is a powerful tool. It helps businesses manage their finances effectively. SAP provides real-time insights and automates key processes. This helps companies make better decisions. SAP is crucial for managing accounts payable and receivable. It ensures accuracy and transparency. This is essential for financial health. SAP's robust functionalities streamline many tasks. This includes invoice processing, payment handling, and financial reporting. Many companies use SAP globally. This makes SAP skills highly sought after. Finance professionals can advance their careers with SAP expertise. They can improve their efficiency and contribute to their company's success. Accounts payable, or AP, is a critical area in financial management. SAP offers powerful tools to simplify AP processes. Understanding key functionalities and T-codes is essential for any SAP user. One important T-code is FBL3N. This T-code displays general ledger line items. It helps in tracking transactions for specific accounts. For example, you can use FBL3N to check the GRIR account. This ensures all goods receipts are matched with invoices. Another essential T-code is F110. It's used for automatic payment programs. This automates vendor payments, saving time. First, you define payment methods and house banks. Then you set up vendor master data with the correct information. Finally, you execute payment runs using F110. F13 is another helpful T-code. It automates the clearing of open items. This includes GRIR or vendor accounts. It matches debit and credit transactions based on set criteria. For instance, F13 is used to clear unmatched GRIR entries during month-end closing. Efficient management of accounts receivable, or AR, is crucial for healthy cash flow. SAP offers functionalities to streamline customer invoice management and payment tracking. Understanding these features is essential for finance professionals. Monitoring overdue customer invoices is key. SAP's FBL5N transaction helps track aging reports. You can identify overdue invoices quickly. This allows for timely follow-ups and reminders to customers. Offering flexible payment options can also help manage overdue receivables. Handling partial payments from customers is another important aspect. In SAP, you can post partial payments using FB05. You can also do it during bank reconciliation with FF67. The payment is applied to the invoice, leaving a remaining balance. It's crucial to track these residual items for complete payment. The T-code F32 is valuable for clearing customer open items. It offsets payments against invoices. This ensures accurate AR balances. For example, if a customer makes multiple payments for a single invoice, F32 matches and clears these items. To truly master SAP, continuous learning is vital. Finance professionals should stay updated on new features and best practices. This allows them to leverage SAP's full potential and improve their efficiency. One way to enhance efficiency is by using Excel with SAP data. You can analyze large data sets and generate insightful reports. For instance, Power Query helps clean and consolidate data. Pivot tables summarize payments by vendor or date. Conditional formatting highlights critical information. Managerial skills are also crucial for success in SAP environments. Leading process improvements and resolving conflicts are essential. For example, identifying bottlenecks in the AP process is key. This could be manual invoice approvals or delays in GRIR reconciliation. Implementing automation tools or training staff can significantly improve efficiency. In conclusion, mastering SAP offers significant benefits for finance professionals. It enhances efficiency, improves accuracy, and opens up career advancement opportunities. Continuous learning and a proactive approach are key to unlocking SAP's full potential.